Well guys, I'm bummed. Really bummed. What is up guys? Welcome to another part of the Turbo Mustang build on my 2003 MACH1 Mustang. Today, this episode, we're getting the oil pump done. I talk about it in every single video and we're doing it. And first things first, I was like, man, I gotta text somebody. How does this thingy come off? But guys, watch this. Whoop. That was easy. So that should complete us for the night. That was enough work for me. All right, throw this in the trash can. So yeah, we're gonna start doing this. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave me a big yee in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up and follow our Instagram. And that's that. You know, we can't go video without having a nice brewski. Thanks Justin for leaving that. So yeah, let's go. I need to text some people to make sure I don't have to do anything special to do this. But yeah, okay, here we go. Okay guys, just got off the phone with Jeffrey and there is a little dot, I can see it down here, that needs to be pointing 6 o'clock all the way down, but this dot, gosh, I'm hooked, okay. This dot needs to be pointing up, so that dot and also that dot, need to be pointing up, and that dot needs to be pointing down. So I need to put my bolt harmonic balancer bolt back in and crank this engine over until that happens. So all right guys, I did it. Boom. Oh, you can't, that light's too bright. All right, dot up, dot down here at 6 o'clock, baby. And it is just like, let me show you the picture that Jeff sent me. Boom. That's what we're looking for, guys, and that's what we got. So setting it down. Now, well guys, I got my hands are oily. I got one side off from here. I just took off whatever that thingy was and the chain guard. Took this off. I just was trying to take this off at first, but then it didn't seem like enough, and it was kind of putting weird pressure on this, so that made me nervous, so I took that off. So hopefully that goes back together, and now let's do the other side. I found it, guys. I gotta take this off too, and it is right behind there. So what was that again? Was that this? Okay. Oh. Yes, sir. And I guess, well, I am that nervous, but what I said, I didn't mean like I'm not having a good time. I'm having a great time. This is really cool. And I'm super excited. Okay. Ta-da. Good thing I got tons of pictures. This one, let me get another paper towel. Whoa. You guys are probably like cringing because I'm putting it on the ground, and I'm cringing at myself too, but this should be okay. Okay, beautiful. We'll make sure those are inspected before we do anything crazy. Okay, that looks loose now, ladies and gents. Are these all the same? Shoot. Yeah, okay. Alright guys, I figured it out. This right here, this bearing, I just slid it off. Chain came right with it. Boom, out of the way. Now, does this say anything crazy? Came off this way. I know that for sure. So I will set that down. Okay. Car's back on the old head here. And then, I still don't know. This feels like it's got something holding on to it. Okay. Alright guys, I got it out. I was struggling to get it out because I took 3 bolts out. Here, maybe I should show you over here. Ooh, here's all the parts that came off. So, okay, so there was 3 bolts holding this. Oh wow, you can feel the gear in there. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, oh wow, there's a lot of oil in there. So there's 3 bolts holding it in. One here, and one there. So 1, 2, 3. And every it wouldn't, the bottom felt like something was still holding it, but it would wiggle like more than like a bolt was holding it. So I was like, man, there's only like 3 bolts in here, and I looked it up, and everything that I looked up was like, oh, it's got 4 bolts. And I was like, and then I'm like texting buddies. I'm like, is it got 3 or 4 bolts? And they said 4 bolts too. But they're liars. It only had 3 bolts. And the problem is I still had it connected here to the drain, and I didn't know they had like a little sleeve on it too, you know. And I thought this would come out. Something's holding it in there. That's really sturdy. So I thought that would come out with it, but it didn't. So just I unbolted the pan again, let it drop as far as it could with the cam member in, unbolted that, and then whoop, slid right off. So now I'm gonna take this apart and do the gears. Oh, and then here are the gear. Here's what I'm putting in is MMR. Let me take this to the light. So we got a new one of these. So this is the old one. There's the new one for that. All billet, baby. Here's my billet gears. So should be pretty sweet. Oh, where is that? MMR. Ooh, that's upside down. MMR. So, okay. Let's get taking that thingy apart. Alright guys. First things first. It is the next day. In case you can't tell. We got a twisted tea. We're a couple teas in. Long day at work. I have a couple of those bad boys. That'll fix you right up. Okay, time to take this thingy apart. This oil pump. I don't even know if I have that type of tool. Is this it? That's way too big. Alright guys. Also, shout out this kit right here from Home Depot, this Husky kit. Love it. If you guys are looking just for a nice little kit here. Ooh, that seems like what we're looking for. I think I can just hit it with the old impact. Oh, where are we at here? I had to, like I explained earlier, I had to take the oil, or loosen the oil pan to undo the drain thingy that came off of this. All right, let's see what kind of damage we can do. Oh, and it's easy money. I watched a couple YouTube videos on how to do this, so I wouldn't say I'm doing it the right way, but I'm doing it a way. All that matters is we get the job done, do it as correctly as possible, that it makes sense. But I am very excited to finish this, so we just got to keep on rolling. Here we go. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. You know what? Let me get some more paper towel. I got this song stuck in my head, guys. I don't know what kind of music you guys are into, but dang. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. So, yeah. Let's make sure you guys like the video if you guys haven't liked it already. And leave a comment. I don't care what you comment, just comment something. You guys like Twisted Tea? Maybe comment that. Okay, wow, look at that. That just does that, huh? What do I do now? I just pull this bad boy out, I think. So I watched the video. I know I'm kind of rambling on in this section, but I did watch a video. So you basically, I have this assembly lube that I guess you rub all over the new ones and then install it back in. So here's the old ones, and I guess these explode, these stock ones, and that would not be good. So I guess they're kind of weak, but now we got some Billet ones, so when we eventually, you know, crank up the boost, we should be pretty good with the head studs and oil pump gears and a couple other things that I'm gonna do here in future videos. Alright guys, got the new ones in with this Lucas Oil Assembly Lube. Don't know if that was the right move or not. If it's the wrong move, please don't tell me. Just let me experience it for myself. I just saw on a video that I watched on how to do this that they put assembly lube on the gears before installing. I don't know why I just touched that. I just cleaned my finger. It was really funny, guys. I shut off the time lapse because I was struggling to put that in, and then as soon as I shut off the camera, it just like flew right in. So oil pumps in. I just got to put these bolts in now and then bolt it back in. Just got to squeeze up a little bit more, but that happens all the time. I'm always struggling with something, shut the camera off, and it just happens. So yeah, let's continue. Well guys, I'm bummed, really bummed. I was trying to put this on like so, putting it on, and I got it connected to the drain edge there, bolted that back together, and then I was trying to wiggle it on, and as I was screwing it on or bolting it on, I'm pretty sure it cracked. God bless it. I heard it. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, there's a crack all through here. Oh, I'm really bummed. I was just trying to, I put the 3 bolts in and I was snugging them down, you know, trying to like suck it. Like it had like a little bit more to go, and I was just trying to suck it in. And it cracked. Obviously that's not the right thing to do, but I didn't know. This is my first time. Pretty sure this ain't gonna be a cheap mistake, but we definitely need a new one of these. Dang, what a bust, guys. Well, you live and you learn. Guess you just gotta be positive and keep moving forward. Alright guys, I ran back out to the garage. I just got all cleaned up for the night, but I ran out because my OCD was bothering me. I had to tell you guys that I talked to my brother-in-law, aka CJ, aka SVT Giles on Instagram. Make sure you guys check out his Instagram and his new project. I already ordered the new part, the new housing for this, so that will be on its way here in a couple, or will be here in a couple days. And he told me what I was doing wrong, and I didn't know. It's my first time, so don't beat up on me too much, guys. And it ain't a mistake if you can fix it. That's all I gotta say. So you gotta align the gears on the shaft here, and I didn't do that. I just tried pushing her right on, cracked it. No big deal. It was only very it wasn't too expensive to get a new one, and now we got a new one, I guess. So I guess that's all, guys. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I do have quite a bit of footage of this, so make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. I don't care which comment. Please comment something. Please give it a thumbs up. And that's that, guys. I'll talk to you guys later, and please stay tuned. This is gonna be sweet. This summer's gonna be so sick with this turbo MACH1, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. And things are going good. Things are really going smooth, other than this, but this is like no big deal. Not even like a big setback. I'm not even bummed about it, actually. I'm pretty in good spirits about it. So yeah, we'll get her fixed up. We'll get that new housing on, and we'll be right back in forward progression mode in no time. So I'll talk to you guys later, and bye.